Let's learn how to use some VB scripts to improve your templates. Delete your current label. Now we will combine the label with the field. Type in your text. Place a set of quotes around the text. Make sure you also add any necessary spaces inside of the quotes. Use the ampersand to combine multiple fields, or fields and labels. Now, let's add a deposit required with calculations. Copy, or add a new field you want to calculate. Here, a separate label is being added. We can use the previous step to combine all the labels and fields, but it requires more advanced formatting. You can add more simple mathematical formulas. Be sure to place the parentheses around calculations. Use the asterisk for multiplication, or the backslash for division. The standard plus or minus can be used for addition and subtraction. Here, you see that we are now providing the calculation of 50% for the deposit required.